Hello, today we are going to study chapter 2 addition. Before starting the topic, let us revise some concepts which we have already studied. 10 ones make 1 10. That means when we group 10 ones, we get 1 10. 10 tens make 100. That means when we group 10 tens, we get 100. 10 hundreds make 1000. That means when we make a group of 10 hundreds, we get 1000. Okay. So our first topic which we are going to study today is addition with regrouping. We are going to study addition with regrouping. So these concepts are going to help us in doing addition with regrouping. So let us take an example for this. In a school, if there are total number of girls 3666 girls, okay, and it is given that total boys in that school are 4127 boys are there, and it is asked to find total number of students in that school. Total number of students studying in that school we have to find out. What we will do, we have to add these two numbers, means we have to add the total number of girls in that school and total number of boys in that school. For this, we will arrange these two numbers in place value chart. So writing the place values here, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay. We have to add to get the total number of students studying in the school. Okay. So adding from ones place, we will get 6 plus 7. What it will become? After 6, start counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Total 13 we are getting. So what we will do? We will write 3 here and we will carry 1 here. We will carry 1 here. Why we are carrying 1? Because 13 ones we are getting. And in 13 ones, 3 ones will be here only. But 10 ones will become tens. 1 tens. So we are carrying 1 here. Okay. Next we have to add tens place digits. 6 plus 2. That will become 8 plus carry 1 will become 9. Then 6 plus in hundreds place, 6 plus 1 is there, that means it is 7. In thousands place, we are having 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. So we have got the answer. Total students in the school are 7,793. Total 7,793 students are studying in that school. Okay, let us take one more example. If it is given that in ABC school there are 3,463 students. 3,463 students in ABC school. In ABC school. And XYZ school are having 3,543 students. Find the total number of students in ABC and XYZ schools. Find the total students in ABC and XYZ schools. We have to find. Okay, what we will do? We will add these students and we will add the students of ABC school with the students of XYZ school. Okay, for this we have to arrange this in place value chart. We have already arranged it. Now we will start adding it. 3 plus 3 will become 6 here. Then 6 plus 4 we are getting in tens place. 6 plus 4, that is 10. So we will write 0 here and We know that 10 tens make 100. That means 1 will be carried here. 10 tens will make 100. Okay. So now we will add hundreds place. 4 plus 5 will become 9 plus 1. That will become 1000. So 1000 means 0 we will write here, and 1000 means 1000 becomes 1000. So this 1 will be carried here. This 1 will get carried here. So we will add 3 plus 3, that is 9. Sorry, 3 plus 3, that is 6. And plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1, 7. Okay, so we are getting our answer as 7006. 7006 students in both the schools. 7006 students were studying in both the schools. Okay. So our next topic is number stories. How we have to solve the sum of number stories. If any problem is given of number stories, what we have to do? First we have to carefully read the question. First we have to carefully read the question, and then we have to solve the question. Okay. We have to calculate the sum. Okay. So let us take an example. In a garden, there were 4,500 mangoes. How many mangoes? 4,500 mangoes. Okay. And kitna mango trees? 4,500 mango trees. Okay. And 2,000 coconut trees. Another one is 2,000. In that garden, coconut trees were also there, and it is given 2,000 coconut trees. And 1,500 apple trees. 1,500 apple trees. Okay, and we have to find the total number of trees in the garden. We have to find the total number of trees in the garden. What we will do? We will add. Okay, total trees we have to find. So we will add the mango trees with coconut tree and with apple trees. So we will get the total trees in the garden. So start adding ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0, यहाँ पे भी 0. 5 plus 5, that is 10. So 0 carry 1 because 10 hundreds make 1000. So this 1 will be carried here. Then 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. So our answer is 8,000 trees. Total 8,000 trees were there in the garden. Okay. Likewise, you have to solve all the sums of your exercise 2.4.